Here is our big step book. It follows first step. First step is K3. This is K4. It's recommended for 4 and 5-year-olds. All of our steps books are, the focus is reading, writing, and math. So just introductions, getting them ready for Genesis curriculum. So for reading, this uses the McGuffey Primer. Let me show you how it goes. So it has a page, each lesson in the primer has a page where the words are really big. So you can just kind of cover it up and say, tell them this is the word add, and then point, what's this, and what's this, and what's this one, or what can you read to me on this page? And you just practice them. You can just do it once a day, but if you get the chance, you could have your child show the words to someone else later in the day. But this is set up a little differently. They can just do it once a day. That's how I've been doing it. So also for day 5, they have to, draw the line between the shapes. So these pages are math but writing, like they're going to have to draw lines. So these are pre-handwriting kind of activities. So the next day, here are the words again. They're in a different order. They're in a smaller font, so they can practice the words again. And then it has the words in phrases that are going to be in the story, just to get them some more practice before they have to read the story. So here's a tracing page. They're going to start at the smiley faces and draw down. So again, a pre-handwriting skill. So the next day, they're going to read the story. And here they kind of practice colors. It lists the colors that they have to color in the rainbow. And so again, the next story is introduced, and the math activity, smallest and largest, and handwriting, they have to circle it. The words again are listed out. Some phrases are listed out. I have changed a few of the words, updated it just a little bit. I changed Ann to Anna because my son had a hard time with hearing and saying and. So Anna makes it easier to distinguish them. Again, it's a handwriting page. All right, we don't need to go through the whole thing. But as we go on, here's one-to-one correspondence for math. And as we get further in, we're going to start being introduced to the numbers. So here's the number 1. They're going to count 1 ball and 1 horse. And they can color these in or trace them with their fingers. So they're going to be introduced to the numbers up through 20 in this book. So here's more tracing activities. Here's number 10. It's going to count 10 things. It tells them to touch each one and to count. A few other kind of activities on the review days. Here's the opposites activity. Some math, another math activity. They have to figure out the patterns and draw the patterns. And my son can't draw perfect stars or hearts or anything, but he would do his best. And if I couldn't figure it out, he'd tell me what the shape was. So again, it's a little bit of writing and math. So there's more patterns. Here he really liked doing this, create your own pattern. So the math continues. It says color in 5 of the apples. So here's the number 5, but they have to count, and instead of just coloring them all in, they have to show that they can count to 5. And then it says draw 5 of your own things at the bottom. And then later on, it's going to move to more with identifying numbers, and they're going to trace numbers. Again, the numbers in this book go up to 20. And here's the words and the phrases before they have to read a story. Here's 18 on this page. So here's review with uppercase and lowercase letters, and drawing lines and one-to-one correspondence. And so it continues through. At the very end of the book, they're going to start a little bit of addition and subtraction. That's subtraction. If I could find an addition page right now. So there's 2 balls. Write the number of balls. Cross one off, and how many are left with. There's tracing number 18. So here they're going to use pictures to subtract. And I do that with addition too. I can go back, here's one. So you count the small oranges, count the big oranges, and you count them up all together. Tracing the number 10, 15, and then here I use the oranges, and I show them the addition sign. They learn the addition sign. And simple arithmetic, just using counting, just an introduction. And it goes through 180 days like this. And this follows first step, and after it comes giant